and welcome to day 6 of 100 days of Power BI. The goal and objective is to learn and master Power BI over the next 100 days and build quite a lot of portfolios and use data sets online to practice and hone our Power BI skills. I'm super excited. Today is day 6. We have a lot to cover. So without further ado, let's get back to learning.
In this chapter, we'll take a closer look at context in Power BI. We'll also dive deeper into DAX formulas and understand the use of variables and the calculate function. Context is an important concept to understand in DAX. It enables dynamic analysis where the results of a formula change to reflect the selected data. There are 3 types of context: row, filter, and query. In this chapter, we will cover row and filter context, which are key to becoming a DAX master. Query context falls outside of the scope of this course. You can learn more about query context in future DAX courses. Row context can be thought of as the current row. A calculated column is an example of where row context applies. In a calculated column, the context includes the values from all columns within the current row. In the table below, we have a calculated column, price with tax, which contains a formula that does a calculation on the price and tax column. As you can see, the calculation is happening row by row, a perfect example of row context in action. Row context can also be used in measures, however, only when using iterator functions. An iterator function loops through every row in a table and runs the formula for each row. An iterator function can be identified by an X at the end of a function name. For example, SUMX